All right, so the question says, Mary and Brandon are siblings. Mary could mow their lawn in 2 hours all by herself. Brandon can mow the same lawn for 3 hours all by himself. Mary has mowed the lawn for half an hour all by herself. How long would it take Brandon to finish the job if he works all by himself? To do this, I'm going to make a 3 by 2 table to represent the lawn. There. This is good for the lawn. All right. So it says Mary can now mow the lawn in 2 hours all by herself. So how much would she do in 1 hour? It's simple. In 2 hours, she would do the whole lawn. So that means in 1 hour, she would do half, because 1 is half of 2. So she would do 1/2 of the lawn. I'll make it a nice red color for her. All right. I'll also make the sentence a red color. There. Oh, or not there. Brandon, the sentence will be blue. And we'll do Mary's has mowed the lawn all by herself, darker yellow. There. Now what can Brandon do in 1 hour? Another, I'll just copy this table. There. We'll do Brandon. And I don't think he's going to be able to mow 1/2 of the lawn, just like Mary. Because it says he can mow the whole thing in 3 hours all by himself. Of course, there's a space here, but we're about to find out what Brandon can mow of the lawn in 1 hour. All right, so if Brandon takes 3 hours to mow the whole lawn, that means in 1 hour he would only be able to mow 1/3 of the lawn. This is 1/3 of the lawn. And Brandon can mow 1/3 of the lawn in 1 hour. Now for the orange sentence. Yes, we'll just call it orange. Mary has mowed the lawn for half an hour all by herself. I'm going to push these down. We could just use them as a reference for later. Oh, that's not the right place for the table. There. All right. So if Mary could mow half of the lawn in 1 hour, what can she do in half of an hour, as the question says? That's simple. She could mow 1/4 of the lawn in half of an hour because 1/4 is half of half. Of course, we're going to have to split this because there's 3 and you cannot really evenly divide 3 without splitting it. This will represent what she has mowed. Now Brandon will have to finish the job. Back down here, we found out Brandon can mow 1/3 of the lawn in 1 hour. All right, so we don't need this sentence anymore because it no longer matches the table. All right, now it says here we found out that Brandon can mow 1/3 of the lawn in 1 hour. So we need to find out how long it would take Brandon to finish the job. So I'll highlight 2 boxes, which is equivalent to 1 hour of mowing for Brandon, and another hour of mowing for Brandon. And now we have this sliver left, which is half of half an hour. Really, the way to explain it is Brandon can mow 2 boxes in 1 hour. That means in half of an hour, he could mow this much. That means in 15 minutes, which is half of half an hour, he could mow this little sliver. All right, so that means he could mow these 2 boxes in 1 hour, these other 2 in another hour, that's 2 hours, and this little sliver in 15 minutes. So Brandon can complete the job in 2 hours and 15 minutes, which I will write. Brandon can mow the rest of the lawn in 2 hours and 15 minutes.